Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Òrìṣàs, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The pact between Òsáìn Àrùgbò, Àìrà, and Olókun, chant. Baba Òrágún awa Ìyèyà, Baba Aika, Baba Arewo onibase, Baba Aika omi omolorun, aun abimi avekeleda. Bi Ofun aun abati, obi Ofun aun Òsáìn Àrùgbò, ebokuru omo Abòkù, ebo Abòkù. Eyele, eko, eku, ayapa, awado, ori, story, patakin. This is the reason why a Bàbáláwo cannot ignore or deny the existence and assistance of any of the four great powers that sustain the world. In the land of Ìyèyà, there lived three individuals of immense power: Òsáìn Àrùgbò, Àìrà, and Abòkù. Òsáìn Àrùgbò held the power of witchcraft and herbal magic. Àìrà was a high priest of the secrets of solemn, possessing great command over the Òrìṣàs. Abòkù was a serious and solemn man, a medium with spiritual powers and the gift of communicating with the spirits. Each of these three had many children and followers, and this ultimately led to conflict and war among their houses. When the conflict became unbearable, the three powerful figures went to see the king of the land of Ìyèyà, whose name was Òrágún. Òrágún told them, "If you wish to end this war between your children and followers, you must make Igbo and seal a pact together so that harmony may be restored." They performed the Igbo, and before Olófin, they sealed the pact with the power of witchcraft, Òsáìn, the power of the Òrìṣàs, Àìrà, the power of the spirits, Abòkù, and the power of Ifa, represented by Òrágún. Representation in Ifa. This story is represented in the following Odu, Akbe, Yeku, Wori, D, and the 12 sacred points, the other 12 Meyi.